Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. First, I just want to say thank you for like 500 subscribers. 2 videos ago I hit 400 and now I'm at 500, and it's because of my college video that I posted last week, and that video is doing so good, so thank you so much for that. Okay, hello, I'm Jen if you're new here. Today is Friday, August 31st, so that means I've been in college for 1 week already, which is crazy. I know 1 week isn't long, but like it felt like it went so fast. This video is gonna be like my first college weekend, even though I was here last weekend, but I didn't film it, so this is kind of clickbaity saying first because it's my second college weekend, but I'm sorry, like. So that's what this video is gonna be. I hope it turns out good. I don't really know what I'm doing this weekend, so hopefully I'm doing something that will make the video good. Today I already had my first class. It is Why Am I So Bald? Currently 10:50 in the morning right now. I had a 9:10 class. Hi, okay, so my camera died. I don't know where I left off. I put some makeup on while I was charging it. It's 11:42 right now. I have one more class, and then I might be going to like the Syracuse like huge fair. I'm not sure what it's called. I might be going to that today after class, so that's why I put makeup on just in case. I don't know what else to say. Before I get into this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel if you aren't already. You should be, but if you aren't, go subscribe, and let's just get on with my day. Oh, also, I'm not going to be bringing my camera to class. I'm going to be filming like on my phone, so if the quality is different in like some sections, it's because I'm on my phone, so sorry. I'm going to my class now, and I hate this one so much, so it's gonna be torturous, but I, you know, have to go, so yeah. I really don't. Me neither.
I want to email me, baby. My friend,
Yes.
Okay.
Thank you.
Thank you.
I've never got the back seat in the bus before. Hi. This is my roommate. Hello. Diana. You sure? I got pooped on. Ready? That was not there a couple minutes ago. I can't believe that happened. Okay.
I can transform you.
If Shane doesn't. Oh my god, those were so cute. Ew.
Yeah, are they mean? Oh my god.
Oh my god. Aww. She's about to ride a camel. A freaking camel. Wow. Oh my god! That's smart. Oh, that was a firework. There was a fight on the bus, and the cops were getting called. It's not even college scandal. Okay, so there was 2 girls on the bus who fought, and the state troopers came, and yeah, that's the whole story.
More like
Outside the bus, so I can't get a good picture, but the cops are here. That was interesting. Wow. Okay. Bye. That was fun. Go into the lakes. Can't wait. Hi.
I did a Syracuse one.
Yeah, that's all around.
The worst part? They're roommates.
Yeah, I know, they live together. We heard the whole fight, don't worry. Oh, I need to come here and like dress nice and take cool pictures. Okay. Yeah. Okay. Oh! It's so slippery. Oh my god. I feel like I'm ice skating. Hey guys, so I'm about to take a shower. That's why my hair is in this ugly bun. We went to the lake as you saw, and then we went to TJ Maxx and I got some nail polish. It's like lavender, so I'm probably gonna paint my toes someday. I'm going to a party tonight. It's my friend's brother's party. So yeah. So we're gonna go take pictures now. Oh, that's so pretty. Look how big this spider is. They're everywhere. Ah! Oh my god!
From Queens.
We have
Cool, I have a friend who
it's so hot. I don't know why this is
yeah, how do you guys like live in here?